Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change app icons on Android. You can change the application icon image using your own photo. So, how to do it? Without further ado, let's get started. The first step, open the Google Play Store and then type in the search field with the keywords any icon. Tap on any icon or icon changer app and then install it and wait until the install process is complete. If you have successfully installed it, now open the app. Tap Agree. If an ad appears, just ignore it and tap Continue to the app. Now find which app icon you want to change using your own photo. For example, here I will change the TikTok icon with my own photo in the gallery. So, tap on TikTok. Tap the plus icon here to select your photo. And then tap Image. Then there will be lots of photos appearing here. You can explore and find out which photos will be used as the TikTok application icon. As an example, I'll use this photo. Just tap on it and adjust the scale. If done, tap the tick in the upper right corner. The last step, tap Use in the upper left corner and tap Add. Then automatically, the TikTok widget will be added to your mobile home screen using the image you have chosen. If you want to change other app icons, do the same method as before. So, tap on the app that you want to change. Then tap the plus icon. Select Images. Select the image you want to use. Adjust scales. Tap the tick in the top right corner. Tap Use. And tap Add. Now, let's see the results. Go to the home screen. And yeah, the TikTok and YouTube app icons have been successfully changed using a photo from the phone gallery. Not only YouTube and TikTok, you can also change other app icons on your Android. Follow the same method as I explained in this tutorial. Just that guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.